Assalamualaikum guys. Hari ini aTUK nak kongsikan berkenaan dengan cara-cara nak repair power window yang rosak ya.
No, that's illegal.
Oh, sorry. Slap.
What? He's using hacks again. What? He's using hacks again. So you don't want to give up.
Not wise.
You leave me with no choice but to use the holy slap. I didn't want this battle to end like this, but you forced me to. What a shame. I told you, my holy slap is just too powerful. Who do you think won fingerstyle? Tap and slap parts. Leave a comment now! Big thanks to Charles, the pro, for having this battle with me, but unfortunately he did not survive my holy slap. Press B in the chat. The only way to bring him back is to subscribe to his channel. He will come back to life if he gets 100,000 subs. Go, now that this challenge is over. I challenge you to make a video where you challenge me to do anything you want. Title your video Baby 504 I challenge you, and maybe I will accept your challenge in one of my next videos. Do it now. So that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this epic bass battle. Remember to slap like, leave a comment and subscribe so I can finally laugh. Well, I know that bass battle was so mind-blowing that you need therapy. Therapy time! Feel free to tell me anything you want. I'm here to listen to you. Prego. That was epic. Epico. Well said. pretty cool. I remember very sad times. But those sad times are gone. There are always ups and downs. It's okay. Don't worry. Tomorrow will be better. Epic. Very nice. Do it now. I will see you in the next video. But I am a pro bassist too. I really hope for him that he doesn't challenge me, because I would own him easy wise words.
Unbelievable.
OMG, he has 3 cameras now. He is the triple camera pro.
OMG.
He is getting stronger, but not enough. He slaps better than Davey 504. Say it again. If Davey doesn't accept the challenge, I will call the police. I am the only one allowed to call the police. Davey is hiding. He is too scared. Rest in peace, Davey 504. Davey won't accept. He knows he will lose. Enough. Let's go on my subreddit. At least there, everybody supports me. What? The pro uploaded something here too. Let's see.
Hi everyone, I just wanted to come here on Davey's subreddit page to say thank you so much for the support that I've been getting on my videos recently. It's been truly amazing.
Okay, that's sweet. He just came to say thanks to everybody. No problem. You deserved it.
There is one other thing that I want to say though, which is I've been getting a lot of comments which have been saying basically the same thing. And I think it's about time I say this. Davey, I challenge you to a bass battle.
What? He came on my subreddit to challenge me to a bass battle. How dare he? He betrayed me. We are not friends anymore. We are
Enemies now.
slap like if you want me to accept his challenge. What? You want me to do it?
Now?
This is too much. Bro, you cannot challenge me because I challenge you to a bass battle.
Now.
That's illegal.
Oh, sorry. Slap.
What? He's using hex again. Next.